Hello Beyond followers. Do you also believe that building data has the potential to improve our daily lives and create new sources of monetary value? If so, let me introduce you to the European Union-funded BEYOND H2020 project. Ready? Let's go! Before we start, give me some seconds to get to know each other. We are an innovation action funded under the European H2020 framework dealing with big data for buildings. BEYOND Partnership constitutes of partners interested in the evolving domains of big data analytics for buildings and energy systems optimization, as well as of innovative energy services. They address all value chain requirements like research institutions, technology providers, end users, and innovation accelerators from different European countries. I want to focus a little bit on the environment in which the BEYOND scientific work is going to be implemented. For many years now we have been well aware that cities not only consume energy but at the same time produce a huge amount of valuable data due to the introduction of affordable technologies that can be used in every home and office. However, until recently this data was not utilized, especially business-wise. Such a waste, don't you think? Therefore, the question arises whether this unprecedented availability of data can lead energy actors to improve their operation and realize new sources of income by integrating buildings into their business models. During the last 15 to 20 years at least, the energy market has experienced very significant changes. Policy-wise, there were legislations that caused changes in the industry that had to do with the liberalization of the market. At the same time, the greenhouse effect and the need to reduce CO2 emission has also led to a regulatory framework for the integration of alternative and distributed energy sources. Technological-wise, the latest developments in big data, AI analytics, and IoT could allow the evolution of most business practices that hold the promise of growth for the involved stakeholders. Yet, even if many energy stakeholders have started to invest in such innovations, this is not done in a coordinated fashion with the rest of the actors, as these activities target the internal optimization of operations. Here is where we enter. BEYOND's aim is to facilitate cities and energy actors to get involved in a data-sharing transaction framework to acquire as much as possible data stemming from buildings and get access to analytics tools. This way they could accurately forecast the anticipated performance of buildings in the short, medium and long term, both in energy demand and in terms of energy generation and flexibility. All the energy actors involved in this data exchange can further provide and propagate the knowledge they gain to be introduced in future plans for either extension of the cities or investments in the city infrastructure based on evidence coming from real buildings. Let me guess what you're thinking. How do you plan to make all this happen? It's simple. We introduce an innovative, secure and transparent framework that introduces buildings as data owners and providers that have the opportunity to upload their data, enhance their quality and define specific and tailor-made rules related but not limited to confidentiality, privacy issues, and access control. This way their data will be made to data consumers like retailers, aggregators, and network operators among others. Those will have the ability to search upon the data in the platform, get samples to assess their usability, and get involved in negotiation processes with data owners to establish contracts upon which the data will be shared among them. Actually, through this platform, we promote a data economy framework in order for this data to obtain monetary value. I have to say that we indeed use state-of-the-art technologies. We are focusing on two main aspects of performance and establishing robust data management processes to allow data owners to effortlessly upload and manage their data on the platform, as well as realizing analytics and interoperability services. Data sovereignty is also a big deal for us. We introduce security tools like anonymization, encryption, and blockchain mechanisms to enhance the security and communication between different stakeholders. We don't like to brag, but BEYOND partners have the imagination, ability, knowledge and required expertise to dream, design, and build an idea from scratch to real-life implementation. To develop this data exchange framework and bring it to life, we are going to evaluate it to its full extent of functions in a realistic environment in 4 European countries covering all types of energy landscape actors. That's all? Just for now. We are going to provide you with more information about BEYOND project, activities and news. So, stay tuned, check our website, follow us on social media and communicate with us. We want to connect with you.